So if you haven't seen the news yet, there was an assassination attempt on, it's being reported, I should say that. It was being reported that an assassination attempt was made on former President Donald J. Trump. Which is, I just immediately laughed. Not at the thought of him being assassinated, but at the thought of that the Secret Service would somehow not have that in their control already. You gotta, okay, I don't know how else to explain this to you except through that when you're in the military and you have top secret clearances and shit like that, you get to hear the real stories, right? Because everybody's in confidence, right? That does not happen. It just does not happen. It is a concerted effort to deceive. Now, the real question is, why would they want to deceive you, right? And so, because there's another thing too. It's like, first of all, this was done by, right? Again, they're gonna suggest the narrative that there's some crazy guy on the left, right? And it's not, right? The left doesn't have guns, right? The left wants to take away your guns. They want. Again, there's always going to be some alternative motive. That whole thing was staged. Now, what would be really good theater is that you don't tell Trump. You figure out a way to nick his ear like that, and then what do you know? You know, again, that I don't believe that shit, not for a second. No. Every stop, everything is already pre-thought out by the Secret Service. That is their job. That is their job. It's so dumb. Just like the shooting in Las Vegas. Same thing. It's so dumb. It's weak. So, again, don't pay no mind to it. It's all false narrative. It's all bullshit. What I do find funny is when they use it to justify something. And they will always use it to justify something. So, anyways, have a good weekend, everybody.